Welcome to hgreglux. Here we have a 2022 Cadillac Escalade. This SUV came with a clean carfax. In this video, I'll be showing you any dents, scratches, or any wear and tear to the car to the best of our knowledge. First, we'll be going panel by panel. We're going to start with the front bumper. Perfect. I'm not seeing any scratches here or paint chips. Let's have a look at the hood of the car. Perfect. Everything here looks good. I do not see any paint chips or scratches in the front. Let's have a look at the driver fender and wheel. This fender looks excellent. And the wheel has no curb rash. Let's have a look at the driver's side doors. Okay, the front and back door look good. I do not see any dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to have a look at the quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel looks perfect. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to move on to the back of the SUV. Looking at the trunk, I do not see any scratches here at all or no paint chips. And the back bumper is perfect as well. So the driver's side and back are spotless. Let's have a look at the passenger quarter panel and wheel. This quarter panel is in excellent condition with no scratches or dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. Now we're going to take a look at the passenger side doors. The front and back door look fine. I'm not seeing no dents or scratches on them at all. Now we're going to have a look at the last fender and wheel. And this fender looks perfect. No scratches, no dents. And the wheel has no curb rash. So the exterior of this SUV is in excellent condition. Now we're going to take a look inside. And we're going to start off with the driver's seat. Perfect. Let's have a look at the door panel. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on this door panel at all. And the driver's seat looks good. Let's have a look at the back seat. Perfect. So the driver's side is in good condition. Now we're going to have a look at the passenger side. The seat looks very good. Let's have a look at the door panel. Everything here looks perfect. Let's move on to the back seat. Excellent. I'm not seeing any wear and tear on the seat at all. Now let's take a look at the third row seats. Good. So the passenger side is in excellent condition. Now that I'm inside, let's have a look at the rest of the interior. First, we're going to start off with the radio. This car has navigation, also backup and 360 camera. Let's have a look at the center console and make sure there's no wear and tear here at all. Everything here looks perfect. Let's take a look at the steering wheel. Excellent. Everything here is in good condition. So the interior of this SUV is in perfect condition. Now we're going to take a look at the trunk. And last but not least, the engine bay. Thanks for watching this video. If you have any questions, please do not hesitate to speak to one of our representatives.